Hey everybody, this is Brendan with Business for Chummies. In this short video, we're going to be taking a look at how to change the author name on your blog posts in WordPress. So here we're on rudepostcards.com. We've got our first blog post, but it's posting this generic term admin as our author, and we want to change that. So I'm going to jump over into the WordPress admin here, and under the users menu, you want to just select the name of the user that you want to change the author name for. Scroll down to the section where it says display name publicly as, and here you'll see a drop down of the values that you can choose. If you want to change the available options in there, you need to update this nickname field. So I'm going to choose a rude dude named Jude. And then you need to save the page first. And that's going to update that nickname field. And then in the publicly named as, I can then choose that as my value. If I save again, now anytime that this user account posts, creates a page or a post, the author name will display that publicly used name value that we just updated. So I'm gonna go ahead and refresh here. And voila, our author name has been updated. And every time we post in the future, it will use our new name. All right, hope you had some fun, learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to Business for Chummies for other great videos. See you next time.